Hello, oceanography enthusiasts! Welcome back to Kidpillar. You think you know the oceans deep enough? Think again. From mysterious creatures lurking in the depths to the mind-blowing facts that will leave you speechless. This is an ocean quiz you would not want to miss. Dive deep into the unknown and challenge your knowledge of oceans. Here we go. Question 1. Which ocean is shrinking due to tectonic plate movement? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Pacific Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. It's B. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is shrinking due to the movement of tectonic plates that causes subduction zones where one plate is forced beneath another. Question 2. Which marine animal can change its gender as many as 20 times a day? A. Clownfish. B. Seahorse. C. Chalk bass. D. Barracuda. It's C. Chalk bass. Chalk bass, a small Caribbean reef fish, displays an astonishing level of simultaneous hermaphroditism, the ability to produce both male sperms and female eggs simultaneously. The reason why it switches gender roles so frequently is still a mystery baffling marine biologists. Question 3. What causes the ocean's tides to rise and fall? A. Ocean currents. B. Winds. C. Gravitational pull of the moon and sun. D. Underwater earthquakes. Answer is C. Gravitational pull of the moon and sun. The tides are primarily caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and, to a lesser extent, the sun. This gravitational force pulls on Earth's water, causing it to bulge and create high and low tides. Question 4. How do hydrothermal vents, found deep in the ocean, support unique ecosystems? A. Sunlight penetrates these areas. B. They release methane for fish to breathe. C. They provide heat and nutrients for chemosynthetic organisms. D. Marine life there photosynthesizes. It's C. They provide heat and nutrients for chemosynthetic organisms. Hydrothermal vents release minerals and chemicals that support chemosynthetic bacteria, which form the base of unique ecosystems in the absence of sunlight. Question 5. Which marine mammal has the longest migration? A. Humpback whale. B. Leatherback turtle. C. Gray whale. D. Arctic tern. It's C. Gray whale. The longest migration of any marine mammal species is made by the gray whale. These whales travel up to 19,900 kilometers round trip each year. Their journey starts in the Bering Sea in October when the sea ice begins to build and ends in the Gulf of California. Question 6. What is the deepest part of the Mariana Trench called? A. Abyssal plain. B. Challenger Deep. C. Tonga Trench. D. Hadal Zone. It's called B. Challenger Deep. The Challenger Deep, located at the southern end of the Mariana Trench, is the deepest known point in Earth's oceans, reaching depths of over 36,000 feet. That is around 11,000 meters. Question 7. What creature is known for being the most venomous in the ocean? A. Blue-ringed octopus. B. Box jellyfish. C. Stonefish. D. Lionfish. The correct answer is B. Box jellyfish. The box jellyfish is considered the most venomous marine creature, with toxins that can cause heart failure, paralysis, and death in humans. Question 8. What is the largest living structure in the ocean that is visible from space? A. Amazon Reef. B. Great Barrier Reef. C. Mariana Trench, Coral Belt. D. Hawaiian Reef. The correct answer is B. Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef spans over an area of around 348,700 square kilometers and is located off the coast of Australia. It is the largest living structure on Earth and is visible from space. Climate change has had profound and damaging effects on the Great Barrier Reef, one of the world's most important marine ecosystems. These impacts are primarily driven by rising ocean temperatures, ocean acidification, and more extreme weather events. Question 9. Which jellyfish species is known for being biologically immortal? A. Lion's mane jellyfish. B. Moon jellyfish. C. Box jellyfish. D. Turritopsis dohrnii. The correct answer is D. Turritopsis dohrnii. The Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish can revert its cells to an earlier stage in its life cycle, essentially allowing it to bypass death and potentially live indefinitely. Question 10. What ocean phenomenon is responsible for transporting heat across the planet and influencing weather patterns? A. El Niño. B. Ocean currents. C. Coral bleaching. D. Tsunamis. The correct answer is B. Ocean currents. Ocean currents, particularly the thermohaline circulation, play a major role in transporting heat across the planet, influencing weather patterns and climate. Question 11. Which marine animal has its shell made of iron? A. Crab. B. Scaly foot snail. C. Razor clam. D. Stony corals. It is B. Scaly foot snail. Found in the hydrothermal vents of the Indian Ocean, they are the only animal in the world known to incorporate iron into its exoskeleton. Also known as pangolin of the sea, they reside at depths of 2,400 to 2,900 meters. Question 12. Which fish is known as the fastest in the ocean? A. Great white shark. B. Marlin. C. Sailfish. D. Swordfish. The correct answer is C. Sailfish. Sailfish is considered the fastest fish in the ocean, capable of swimming at speeds of up to 110 kilometers per hour. Question 13. Which ocean predator has the strongest bite force of any animal? A. Great white shark. B. Saltwater crocodile. C. Orca. D. Tiger whale. The title goes to C. Orca. Orcas, also known as killer whales, have a bite force of around 19,000 pounds per square inch, which is the strongest bite force of any animal in the world. Question 14. What marine animal is considered the greatest recycler of the ocean ecosystem? A. Shrimp. B. Sea cucumber. C. Crab. D. Starfish. The correct answer is B. Sea cucumber. Sea cucumbers are often referred to as the vacuum cleaners of the sea because they process and recycle organic material in the ocean, playing a vital role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. Question 15. What ocean zone is known as the midnight zone? A. Epipelagic zone. B. Mesopelagic zone. C. Bathypelagic zone. D. Hadal zone. The correct answer is C. Bathypelagic zone. The bathypelagic zone, also called the midnight zone, extends from 1,000 to 4,000 meters deep and is completely dark, except for the occasional bioluminescent creatures. Question 16. What is the name of the deepest living fish ever recorded? A. Anglerfish. B. Viperfish. C. Fangtooth. D. Hadal snailfish. The correct answer is D. Hadal snailfish. Hadal snailfish, Pseudoliparis swiri, is the deepest living fish ever recorded, and it is found in the Mariana Trench at a depth of approximately 27,000 feet. Question 17. Which type of whale sings the longest and loudest songs in the ocean? A. Humpback whale. B. Blue whale. C. Sperm whale. D. Beluga whale. The correct answer is A. Humpback whale. Humpback whales are known for their complex, long-lasting songs, which can travel great distances across the ocean. Question 18. How long can a sperm whale hold its breath underwater? A. 20 minutes. B. 45 minutes. C. 90 minutes. D. 120 minutes. The correct answer is C. 90 minutes. Sperm whales can hold their breath for up to 90 minutes while diving to great depths in search of food such as squid. But typically, they stay underwater for around 45 minutes. Question 19. Which of the following is a recent consequence of ocean warming? A. Increased ocean acidification. B. More frequent coral bleaching events. C. Shifts in global weather patterns. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Ocean warming has led to increased ocean acidification, more frequent coral bleaching events, and shifts in global weather patterns. Question 20. Which of the following is a benefit of ocean fertilization? A. Recycled ocean waste. B. Enhanced carbon sequestration. C. Improved fisheries management. D. Reduced ocean acidification. Answer is B. Enhanced carbon sequestration. Ocean fertilization involves adding nutrients to the ocean to stimulate phytoplankton growth, which can enhance carbon sequestration. That means increasing the ocean's ability to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Great job, everyone! We hope you learned some fascinating facts about the oceans. Be sure to share this quiz with your friends and like and subscribe this video for more amazing educational content. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.